And it is with an earring that is literally a twist on a classic. And what do I mean by that? Well, I'm sure in your assortment at home you have a hoop. Maybe you even have a huggy hoop. Well, this is called the Diamonique crossover. You're getting 84 points of Diamonique, and it is a hoop earring in sterling silver. So you are choosing either your sterling silver option, or you have your 14-karat gold-clad sterling silver. It's a beautiful look, and as we come in, you'll see exactly what I mean about that twist on a classic, because it is this crossover design. So it's almost as though you have an inside-out hoop meeting that crossover. I think you'll love it, because we all have hoops, and it's like, well, how can we update our assortment? How can we wear something a little bit different? This is a great way to do it. They are brand new here on QVC, and you're saving $9 off that QVC price. J444889 is your item number, and your easy pay on this is $8.80. Joining us, somebody who is a global jewelry stylist and has been bringing us Diamonique for many, many years, is Erin Mosley. Welcome, Erin.
Hey, Sam. It's so good to see you tonight.
Yes, likewise. It is great to see you.
Well, we've got some real treats picked out. You've got great taste. I love all the items coming up in the show. And I love that you've really gravitated also towards some of our newer pieces, which these earrings fall into. We try our very best to reinvent the wheel, if you will, because we know you love a hoop as a jewelry fan, but how do we make it special and different from what you already have in your jewelry box? Well, we'll do it the Diamonique way. We're going to give you continuous hoops, which offer all of these Diamonique stones on the inside and outside, but then we're going to cross over for you with that high polished precious metal, giving you a mixed media look, and almost like we layered two hoops together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the thing. It's really interesting, and I can imagine them being the kind of earrings, Erin, where everybody says like, "Oh, wait," because you almost do like a double take, which is funny because you're kind of getting a double hoop, where you just think you know what you're looking at, and then when you look again, you realise you've got this beautiful, unique. It's almost like if you mixed a hoop with an infinity symbol.
Sorry, Sam, it's almost like you mixed a hoop and
an infinity symbol.
Oh, I love that. I haven't heard that interpretation yet, but I think you're totally spot on with that. See, everybody looks at jewelry in a different way, and I think that makes it really special. We kind of bring our own story to these pieces. So you're right, with that crossover, we do get that forever type of feeling. And remember, Diamonique will give you that forever feeling just like diamonds do. Because these stones look like diamonds, actually looking like the best diamonds money can buy, but we don't have to have the deep pockets to afford them.
Yeah, and that's the thing. And that's the other thing that I think, maybe, I imagine, this is QVC too. A lot of you watching have been shopping with us many, many years. But maybe if you're just flicking channels and you're new and you're not aware of Diamonique, what makes Diamonique different is not just having that look of simulated diamonds, but also choosing really appropriate sizes that they look like real diamonds, because obviously you could go big and really, really bold, but this does have that look of, wait, is she wearing diamond earrings? I mean, they just look incredible.
It's fun when we can be in that believable range where it feels like you splurged, right? This could be something that maybe you saved up for, you treated yourself, it was a big milestone birthday, something like that. And that tends to be what we wait for in the diamond world, understandably, because they're pricey. If you simply like the look and you are looking for alternatives, as so many of us are nowadays, Diamonique is one of those alternatives. You can have mined diamonds. You can have lab-grown diamonds. Diamonique is a cubic zirconia. It is a man-made stone made to look just like a diamond. So this is just one of the more affordable alternatives to diamonds that are available, and QVC has mastered this since 1987.
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. When you've been doing something for almost 40 years and it is so beloved, it's about getting it absolutely right and refining it and finessing it. And you get to take home the value of that. These are new. They're brand new here at QVC. You're getting 85 points of Diamonique stones. They're called the crossover. Those are the 6 C's of Diamonique we're showing you. So when you're picking up on a diamond, you get the cut. You're looking for clarity, color, cut, and carat weight. great. But then when you're picking up on Diamonique, you get two other things, which are confidence and the cost, because the cost really is the difference. And also the fact that you can wear them, Erin. I mean, this is the thing, that you don't have to be on vacation or traveling or, you know, I know I have a pair of earrings I love that I wear most days. And I lost one the other day and it was like, oh, it's okay. I can just pick up on another pair because, rather than having to phone the insurance company and my week being ruined because they were less than $50. And that's the price point on these. Let me just remind you of the color options again, because you are choosing either that, that sterling silver option, or you have the 14 karat gold clad sterling silver. So those are your two options. You're getting 84 points of Diamonique stones. J444889 is your item number, and your easy pay is $8.80. So maybe you want to get one for yourself and gift one to somebody else.